Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about linear equations in one variable from class 8th. So before going to discuss about what is a linear equation, let's discuss about the difference between an expression and an equation. So what's the difference between expression and an equation? Expressions are written in the form of ax plus b and equations are written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Say for example, x plus 1, this is known as expression. X plus 1 is equal to 0, then it is known as an equation. So what's the difference between these two? Equal to. So equation contains the symbol equal to. Okay, expressions are written in the form of ax plus b and equations are written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. So this is the difference between an expression and an equation. So what's the chapter name? Linear equation in one variable. So keep this one variable aside. Let's discuss about linear equation. So what is the linear equation? So children, equations are written in the form of x plus 1 is equal to 0, isn't it? So here x is known as variable. X is known as variable. And what is the degree of this variable? Obviously 1. Yes, the degree of this variable is 1. Okay, for example, next one, x square plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation. To know this is a linear equation or not, we have to find the degree of the first variable. So here what's the degree of this variable? 2. Yes, degree of this variable is 2. So linear equation means in this equation the variable that contains the degree 1 is known as a linear equation. So first step is equation will have the symbol equal to is the first step, and the second step is the variable contains the degree 1 is known as the linear equation. If it is having the degree more than 1, then it is not a linear equation. Linear equation means the variable of an equation having degree as 1, then it is known as linear equation. Up to here clear, students? Okay, now see here, what's the remaining heading? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. We know that linear equation means x plus 1 is equal to 0. First step is it is containing the symbol equal to, and the next step is it is having the degree 1. Up to here clear? Okay. So this is the linear equation. Then what is mean by linear equation in one variable? Means it only having only one variable. Okay, see here. The linear equation must and should have only one variable. See, x plus 1 is equal to 0, y plus 2 is equal to 0, z plus 4 is equal to 0. These are all linear equations in one variable. Means these equations are having only one variable, then it is known as the linear equations in one variable. Okay. Friends, let's solve this linear equation. So given question is 2x minus 7 is equal to 35. So this is the linear equation, and here we need to find the value of x. Okay. So we already know that we already learned in our previous classes 2x, how to solve this problem. So 2x is we can shift this minus 7 to right side. Okay, we can transfer this minus 7 to right side, and here minus 7 will become as plus 7. Yes, and here 42. Okay, addition of these two is 42, and 2x is equal to 42, where x is equal to 42 by 2. 2 2s 4 and 2 1s. What's the value of x is 21. So value of x is 21. And take another example. 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. Now shift this plus 5 to the right side, plus will be changed as minus. Okay, 3x is equal to 14 minus 5, where 3x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 by 3. 3 is where value of x is 3. Okay, this is the method to solve these problems. We already learned these type of problems in our previous classes, and the next problem is 3y plus 39 is equal to 8. Okay, here what we will do means same method. 3y is equal to shift plus 39 to right side. Okay, 8 minus 39, that is equal to 1 and 31 minus 31. Okay, 3y is equal to minus 31, where y is equal to minus 31 by 3. So what's the value of y? Minus 31 by 3. Children, let's check whether the given equation is satisfied or not. Here we need to substitute this y value in this above equation. Say this as equation number 1, and here we need to substitute this y value in this equation 1. So take LHS. What is the LHS here? 3y plus 39. Yes. Now what's the value of y? 3 into minus 31 by 3 plus 39. Okay, 3 and 3 are gets cancelled. So minus 31 plus 39, that is equal to 8. So value of LHS is 8, and the given question, what's the value of RHS? 8. So we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so it satisfies the given equation. So up to here clear what we had done? Just at first step we have shifted this 39 to right side, and this is changed as minus 39. We subtract these two numbers, the resultant will be minus 31, and here 31 is equal to minus 31, and here next step we have shifted this 3 to right side. Here multiply will be become as division. Okay, when we transpose, multiplication will be become as division. So what's the value of y? Y is minus 31 by 3. To know the given equation is satisfied or not, so we need to substitute this value in the given equation. So we have substituted this y value in the LHS. After substituting, we got the result as LHS value is 8, and the given question, the RHS value is 8, isn't it? So LHS, we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. So the above equation is satisfies. Children, see, this is the another question. This is the puzzle. From this puzzle we need to find a linear equation. From that linear equation we need to find the value of the variables. Okay, see, up to now they gave direct linear equations like x plus 1 is equal to 6, 2y plus 2 is equal to 4. Yes, these are the direct linear equations. From these linear equations we have find the values of these variables. Yes, so this is the very easy step. But here this is the puzzle. From this question we need to find the linear equation. Okay, we need to write the linear equation and also find the numbers, values of those variables. Okay, now see here, what's the given question? Sum of two numbers is 29 and one number exceeds another by 5. Find the numbers. Sum of two numbers is 29 means whose sum, whose numbers. And what numbers? Sorry, what numbers? We don't know. Yes, we don't know the two numbers. So let us take here first number as x. Okay, this is the smallest number. Okay, this is the smallest number. And second number as x plus y, x plus 5, because here one number is exceeding another by 5, means another number is x and we have to add this number with 5. Okay, here what's the given question? Sum of two numbers is 29, mean sum of these two numbers is 29, and say x plus 5 as bigger number, biggest number. So sum of these two numbers is 29. Okay, now add, say this is a equation 1, sorry, this is the step 1 and this is the step 2. Okay, now add these two steps, 1 and 2. Add 1 plus 2. So what's the first one? X. And what's the second? X number is x plus 5. So what's the given question? Sum of two numbers is 29. So x plus 5 is equal to 29. Okay, see here, x plus x is 2x, and we can shift this plus 5 to right side, that will be changed as minus 5. So 29 minus 5, 2x is equal to 24. So gets cancelled, 2 12s 24, where x value is equal to 12. Okay, now here the value of this number is 12. Up to now it is clear? Okay, so value of x is 12. So what's the value of another number? Simply substitute this value in second number. What is the second number? X plus 5. Now substitute x value in this number, that is 12 plus 5. So what's the value? 17. Okay, one value is 12 and another value is 17. Now what's the question? First step is sum of two numbers is 29. Now children, check whether the sum of these two numbers will be 29 or not. Sum of these two numbers will be 29 or not. So what's the smallest number here? Smallest number is 12. Okay, and biggest number is 17. Okay, now add these two numbers to check whether the sum of the given numbers is 29 or not. Okay, see here, 12 plus 17, that is equal to 29. Yes, the sum of these two numbers is 29. Okay, so did you understand, students? From this puzzle we need to find the linear equations, and from that we will to find the values of the variables. So what's the given question? Sum of two numbers is 29 and one number exceeds another by 5. So find the numbers. So we don't know, from this here we don't know what are the numbers. Okay, so let's take first number as x and second number as x plus 5, because second number is x, one number exceeds another by 5, means the first number is x. Suppose the second number will be x, okay, also x, then here the second number will be added with 5 because it exceeds by 5. Okay, now we need to find the numbers. So already the given question, they said that sum of two numbers is 29. Okay, sum of two numbers is 29, means we need to add these two numbers. Add x plus 5, that is 29. So x plus x is 2x, and shift this plus 5 to right side, that will be become as minus 5. 2x is equal to 24, where x value is 12. Okay, we got the first value from this, and we also know the second value. So just substitute this x value in the second number, that is x plus 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17. So for smallest value is 12 and the biggest value is 17. Okay, as already they said in question that sum of two numbers is 29. Now just add this smallest number and the biggest number to check whether the sum of these two numbers is 29 or not. So 12 plus 17 is 29. So it is satisfied. So this is the method to solve linear equations from the given puzzle. So let's discuss next problem. See, this is the another puzzle. Given question is 4 times a number reduced by 5 equals to 19. Find the number. So here, what's the number? What is they are saying? 4 times a number that is reduced by 5 and is equals to 19. Find the number. So we need to find what's the number. So let's take the number as x. Okay, number as x. What's they are saying? 4 times a number, means this is the number. Here we need to multiply with 4. Okay, 4 into x, that is 4x. Okay, and it is reduced by 5. Reduced by 5. Reduced means minus symbol. We need to use minus, subtraction. Exceeds means we will use plus symbol, addition, and reduced means we'll use subtraction. And here it is reduced by how much? 5. Means the number, this number is reduced by 5. 4x minus 5. And it is equals to 19. 4x minus 5 is equal to 19. Did you understand, students? So, okay. Now see here, 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. 4x is equal to 19 plus 5, and the addition of these two numbers is 24, where 4x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 by 4, 6 are 24, the value of x is 6. Okay, so the required number is 6. Now, what's the given question? 4 times a number reduced by 5. Okay, now just substitute the value of x in the given this equation. Okay, 4x minus 5 is equal to 19. And what's the value of x? Substitute this value in this equation. What's the value of x? 6 minus 5 is equal to 19. Okay, 4 into 6 is 24 minus 5, that is equal to 19. 24 minus 5 is 19, that is equal to 19. So here we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So children, the first step is we need to say the number as x, and here this x is say here 4 times a number, means here we need to multiply this number x with 4, because the given question is 4 times a number. Okay, and now this 4 into x is 4x, and here it is reduced by 5. Reduced means we need to use subtraction. For exceeds we need to use addition operation. Okay, and here it is reduced by 5, so 4x minus 5, and it is equals to 19, so 4x minus 5 is equal to 19. So from this puzzle here we found the linear equation. Okay, so here from this equation we got the value of x. Okay, what's the value of x is 6. To check whether the given question is satisfied or not, we need to substitute this value of x in this linear equation. So 4 into 6 minus 5 is equal to 19. 24 minus 5 is 19, and here RHS is also 19. So LHS is equal to RHS. So students, this is the very simple chapter. The first step is you need to understand the concept of this puzzles. So practice and practice, so it will be very easy for you to understand and to solve these problems. So in the next class we will discuss about the remaining problems. Okay, so keep watching, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.